Okay, so hey guys, welcome to this video and pag-uusapan natin ngayon bakit nga ba bumabagsak ang stock market and madami nagpo-post sa inyo dahil sa election so we're gonna clear things up. Okay? Just background about myself. Welcome sa mga bago nood. I am Raf. So welcome to this video and I'm a trader. I've been trading the Philippine market, US, Hong Kong, index market for the past years, and then for this year, for the past 2 years, I focus on crypto. I'm trading and investing in crypto. Okay, so I love to do this. I love to share. I'm also part of a trading community, and I just want to share my insights on what's happening. And for this video, disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. Anything in this video won't be financial advice. And what I'm just trying to do here is I want to share to you guys what's happening in the global market in an objective and economic standpoint. So this won't be political, right? Will be objective as much as possible so that we can make better investments decisions in the future. Okay, so ano ba nangyayari talaga? So sa video na to, we're going to be discussing yung factors. I'll be sharing to you 3 factors, giveaway winners for the past video, and a new giveaway ulit. So abangan niyo yan. Alright, so for this year, we can see that the PSE has been going down. Right? Hindi lang yan guys sa Philippines. Buong mundo. Right? So for the whole world, there has been strong sell-off for 2022. So bakit nga ba nangyayari to? So just a quick recap on what happened, no? Balik tayo nung COVID-19. We know nung pandemic bumaba yung market, right? Bumagsak sila hindi lang Philippines, US din. Pag nakita natin, 'di ba? Ayan no, sobrang big drop. So I think that's about 40% drop. Bitcoin bumagsak din. 'Di ba? So hindi lang Philippines, guys. So and then what happened nung bumagsak yung mga markets na to? Right? So there's Bitcoin, no? 60%. So what happened nung bumagsak yung mga markets na to and why the strong rally or umangat siya nung 2021? It's because what happened here is the Fed or the central bank ng US printed a lot of money. So they printed so many money to stimulate the economy. So, yung ginawa nila is they gave out money to their citizens, they bailed out some of the companies, 'di ba? Meaning nun is binayaran nila yung utang nila or nagpinahiram sila, 'di ba? And then yeah, so yun nangyari doon is nagprint ng money to stimulate the economy. And here's a chart of it. So kita niyo yung spike na yan, this one, ito. Yan guys, oh. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, yan, Feb 2020, and then they printed, so up to now, so that's a 40%, almost 40% increase in money supply for the past 2 years, di ba? Just to stimulate the economy. So, yung 3 factors, so that's the recap. Okay, so basically, the US printed a lot of money to save the economy. Kaya we saw an increase in asset prices noong 2021. So here are the 3 things that we're gonna be talking about. No, balik tayo sa PSE. So ito siya. The top 3 global factors is inflation, interest rates, and Fed balance sheet. So we're gonna walk through that isa-isa, and don't worry, don't be overwhelmed because we're going to make it as brief and concise as possible para lang maintindihan nyo kung ano talaga nangyayari globally. Alright, so inflation. So bakit nga ba? So if you can see, inflation of the US right now is at 8.5%. Right, kita nyo dyan, 8.5%. And that has been the highest since 1990. Right, kita nyo dyan, yan yung highest. So since 1990, so how many years yan guys, no? So bakit nga ba tumaas yung inflation sa US? It's because nga nagtaasan yung prices, 'di ba, ng assets, and because of that, that's a result of stimulating the economy. Inflation happened. And if you don't know, ang taas rin ng gas, 'di ba? At least 40% increase for the year. Right now it's $100. 'Di ba? And because of that inflation, since tumaas yung inflation, or rough, ba't natin tinitingnan yung inflation ng US, taga Pilipinas naman tayo. Whether we like it or not, the US dollar is the global reserve of the world. Kaya whatever is happening sa US, affected tayo dito sa Pilipinas. So since mabalik tayo, the Feds or the central bank ng US, ang taas ng kanilang inflation, what they're trying to do is they're trying to control inflation by increasing interest rates. So pakita ko sa inyo ha. So ito guys, no, again, we're trying to be as objective as possible. That's why I'm sharing to you yung charts na ito. Right? So all this is all data ha. This is all data. This is, hindi ko siya gawa-gawa. This is facts. Okay? So since 2020 to January, interest rate sa US is just 0.08. And right now, May, it's at 0.33. And for the year, they're not stopping. They still want to increase this, if I'm not mistaken, per quarter. So why are they doing this? They are increasing interest rates so that they want to slow down and lower inflation by controlling the money supply in the economy. So, ginagawa nila, syempre, as an investor, if madami kang big money, why would you risk your money in assets, right? If you can just put it in the bank and then earn for you since maganda naman yung bigayan ng interest rates. So, yun yung ginagawa ng Fed ngayon. Kaya tumataas yung interest rates nila and nagkakaroon ng sell down sa mga assets, right? They're increasing interest rates so that they wanna control the money supply again in the market. Next thing is, that's the second one, is they're controlling interest rates. And the third one is, tayo sa kodigo natin, is the Fed balance sheet. So, right, ito yung dahilan talaga nagprint sila ng pera. Yes, it helped the economy, but of course, every decision has a consequence and result. And this is the result of that decision. So, what happened when they printed a lot of money, right? When they printed a lot of money here, right? Then nag-angat, umangat ang Philippine market, 'di ba? And then yung stock market sa US umangat din, 'di ba? Ito yung 2020 low, 'di ba? Tingnan natin Yung 2020 low up to the top, it's 100%. So, lahat ng print nilang pera, they bought assets. Of course, yung iba doon, di ba, pinamigay nila sa citizens nila. Yung iba doon, nag-bailout ng companies, and some of which are they bought assets, which are stocks, real estate. Hence, the reason why umangat ng sobra yung prices. So, syempre, since bumili sila ng madaming assets, right, they plan to sell it because they want to convert their assets into cash ulit. So, ito siya, guys. Ayan. So, they're trying to sell it down. So, ito siya ngayon, di ba? They're trying to create this similar move. So, I'm gonna show you an article to show that what I'm saying here is real. So, this one's from Bankrate and of Federal Reserve. What they're trying to do right now is they want to shrink their massive portfolio of $9 trillion. And then, that's $95 billion per month. So, that means, guys, no, 95 billion will be out of the market. So the selling pressure won't stop for this 2022 because of the Feds. And if they keep on selling, if walang bumili ng ng mga assets, of course, prices will continue to go down. So hindi lang yan, guys, because of the elections here in the Philippines. So madami. Yes, it could be a factor, but that's only a tiny fraction compared to what's really happening in the global markets. Right? So guys, before we make these assumptions, right? Let's research first. Let's study the facts on what's really happening and why it's happening in the first place. Right? So just to give you more proof, ayan no, for the past 7 days, the crypto market as well is going down. Personally, I am risking off. So meaning I'm trying to hold cash as much as possible so that I have funds ready to deploy when the market turns okay. And syempre, enjoy those gains, right? So, again, what's happening right now is because of what's happening in the global picture, because of inflation, interest rates, and the Fed selling their assets. So, of course, guys, in-depth pa to. This is just a quick video. And a lot of factors as well is happening. Meron tayong increased oil, yung war sa Russia, this one. So, madami, guys, no? If you want a more detailed video, comment down below if you want it. So, ayun, guys, so that's the first part of our video. And of course, yung winner ng one sol natin meron tayo from my previous video is this at X 10 cents, no? So I'm shooting 10 yung X. So congratulations sa iyo. You are a winner of one sol lana. So that hopefully could help your NFT journey. And our next one is meron kaming event tomorrow, live session sa ZFT, right? May 12, Thursday, 8 p.m. And we're going to be talking about the post-market elections, and then ano yung plano namin as a community, and kumbaga yung insights namin how we're gonna deal with this kind of market, right? So it's going to be 8 p.m. I'll be giving away one blueprint, and that blueprint is our kumbaga entry-level program in ZFT that hopefully it could help you kickstart your your knowledge in learning more about the markets, right? So short expectations ko for the year, guys, as long this 2022 is really a selling market. So yeah, ever since 2022, nagbebenta lang siya kaya risk off lang ako. So, I just have certain key levels. I didiscuss namin yan bukas just to watch kung kailan kami mag-flip into a more bullish or more confident market. Right? So, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Nandun yung details bukas kung paano maka-avail ng giveaway na yun. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do stay safe during these times in and out of the market. This is Raf. Thank you for your all support and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Peace out.